Welcome back to NextGen World. If you've ever imagined a home that doesn't stay in one place, a palace that glides across highways, and a lifestyle where luxury, technology, and freedom move together, today's video is made for you. The future of travel living has officially arrived, and it's redefining what it means to explore the world in comfort. This is not just a vehicle reveal, this is a vision of how people may live, work, and travel in the coming years. Get ready, because what you're about to see challenges everything you thought you knew about motorhomes. Imagine waking up in a king-size bed with ambient lighting adjusting itself to your mood, the curtains opening automatically to reveal a mountain sunrise, while your coffee is already brewing in a smart kitchen. Outside, people stare in disbelief, but inside, you're living in a 5-star luxury apartment on wheels. The 2026 Kia Supreme Motorhome is not built for ordinary travel. It's designed for those who want the road to feel like home, and home to feel like a futuristic mansion. Today, we take you deep inside this ultra-luxury rolling masterpiece that has just been officially unveiled, and why it could change the motorhome industry forever. Let's start with the presence. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Kia Supreme Motorhome is its commanding, futuristic design. This isn't a traditional RV with boxy lines and outdated styling. Kia has taken inspiration from luxury yachts and modern smart homes, blending aerodynamic curves with bold, confident proportions. The exterior features a sleek metallic finish, adaptive LED lighting panels, and an intelligent front grille that adjusts airflow for efficiency. Even when parked, this motorhome looks alive, like it's quietly thinking and preparing for the next journey. The sheer size of the Supreme Motorhome makes it feel like a moving penthouse. Yet despite its scale, it feels refined and controlled. Advanced suspension systems automatically adjust to road conditions, giving you a smooth ride whether you're cruising highways or navigating rough terrain. Large panoramic windows wrap around the body, offering uninterrupted views of the outside world while maintaining complete privacy through smart tint technology that adjusts at the touch of a button. Step inside, and the transformation is immediate. This is not an RV interior. This is a luxury residence. The moment you enter, you're welcomed by warm ambient lighting, premium materials, and a layout that feels open, spacious, and intelligently designed. Kia has integrated full smart home functionality into every corner of this motorhome, turning it into a true living space rather than just a place to sleep. The living area feels like a modern luxury lounge. Plush modular seating adapts to your needs, whether you're relaxing, hosting guests, or watching a movie. The seating isn't just comfortable, it's smart. Built-in climate control, massage functions, and posture-adjusting technology ensure maximum comfort during long journeys. A massive wall-mounted smart display serves as your entertainment hub, navigation center, and home control system all in one. With a simple voice command or touchscreen tap, you can control lighting, temperature, music, privacy glass, and even exterior cameras. The motorhome listens, learns, and adapts to your habits. Over time, it knows how you like your lighting in the evening, your temperature while sleeping, and your preferred entertainment choices. The kitchen inside the Kia Supreme Motorhome feels like it belongs in a luxury city apartment. High-end appliances are seamlessly integrated into the design, including a smart induction cooktop, a silent dishwasher, a built-in espresso machine, and a full-size refrigerator with AI powered inventory tracking. The system can even suggest meals based on available ingredients and dietary preferences. Countertops are crafted from premium stone composites, offering durability and elegance. Storage spaces are intelligently hidden, maximizing space without clutter. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or hosting an elegant dinner on the road, this kitchen delivers both style and function. Moving toward the dining area, you'll find a convertible smart table that adapts to different uses. It can transform from a dining table to a workspace or entertainment surface. Integrated wireless charging, touch controls, and hidden storage make it perfect for digital nomads, entrepreneurs, or families traveling together. The bedroom in the 2026 Kia Supreme Motorhome is where the true magic happens. This is not just a sleeping area, it's a sanctuary. The king-size smart bed automatically adjusts firmness and position based on your body and sleep patterns. Built-in sleep tracking monitors your rest quality and syncs with the climate system to create the perfect sleeping environment. Soft lighting gently transitions as you fall asleep and wake up, Sound insulation ensures complete silence, even when parked in busy locations. The walls feature premium materials with acoustic dampening, giving you hotel-level peace no matter where you are. Adjacent to the bedroom is a luxury bathroom that rivals high-end hotels. A full-size rainfall shower with temperature memory, a smart toilet with hygiene automation, and elegant fixtures transform daily routines into indulgent experiences. Smart mirrors display weather updates, schedules, and notifications while you get ready, keeping you connected without needing a phone in hand. One of the most impressive aspects of the Kia Supreme Motorhome is how seamlessly it integrates sustainability with luxury. The roof is equipped with advanced solar panels that supplement energy needs, reducing reliance on external power sources. A high-capacity battery system stores energy efficiently, allowing extended off-grid living without sacrificing comfort. Smart energy management ensures optimal usage, automatically balancing power consumption between appliances, climate control, and entertainment systems. Water recycling technology minimizes waste, making long-term travel more practical and environmentally responsible. From a driving perspective, the 2026 Kia Supreme Motorhome is equally revolutionary. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and 360-degree camera views, make handling this large vehicle surprisingly easy. Autonomous driving features allow for assisted highway cruising, reducing fatigue during long journeys. The driver's cockpit feels more like a luxury sedan than a motorhome. A digital dashboard displays real-time data, navigation, and vehicle health information. Ergonomic seating, customizable controls, and intelligent feedback systems ensure the driver remains comfortable and confident at all times. Connectivity is another major highlight. High-speed satellite internet keeps you connected even in remote locations. Whether you're working remotely, streaming content, or staying in touch with family, the Supreme Motorhome ensures you're never out of reach. Built-in security systems monitor both the interior and exterior, offering peace of mind wherever you park. What truly sets the 2026 Kia Supreme Motorhome apart is its philosophy. This is not just a vehicle designed for vacations. It's built for a new way of living. A lifestyle where freedom, luxury, and technology coexist. Whether you're a full-time traveler, a digital nomad, a luxury enthusiast, or someone seeking adventure without compromise, this motorhome delivers an unmatched experience. Imagine traveling across countries without packing and unpacking, without sacrificing comfort, and without feeling disconnected. Imagine your home moving with you, adapting to every destination. That's the promise Kia is making with the Supreme Motorhome. As the world evolves and remote lifestyles become more common, vehicles like this may redefine housing and travel altogether. The 2026 Kia Supreme Motorhome isn't just a glimpse into the future, it's a statement that the future is already here. Here on NextGen World, we explore innovations that shape tomorrow, and this motorhome is a perfect example of how technology, design, and lifestyle are merging into something extraordinary. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the ultimate rolling mansion, make sure to like the video, subscribe to NextGen World, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you live on the road in a smart luxury motorhome like this? Until next time, keep exploring the future with us.